Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session we came to know that Bipin Chaudhary, he came to bank of river Ganga. The breeze was stimulating, it was bracing, very nice one. But there was a little discomfort lingered in the mind of Bipin Chaudhary. And after that, he left that place. While moving in the car, he thought about the previous day conversation which occurred with that strange person, and he was trying to get some proof to prove that he had never been to Ranchi. At that time, he decided to check his right knee because that strange person, Parimal Ghosh, told he had a cut in his right knee. He got that cut when he went to Hudru Falls. That time he fell down there, he got that cut. So in order to check that, he rolled up his trousers and he found there was a cut. He could not recall when that cut occurred, but there was a cut. So now let us continue. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near the Beninandan street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? Yes, then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. Now he thought about Dinesh Mukherjee. Who is Dinesh Mukherjee? The man had said Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. Dinesh Mukherjee was friend of Bipin Babu. He was also there with Bipin Babu during his Ranchi trip. The best thing surely would be to ask him. So only way left for him is to ask Dinesh Mukherjee now, because already his friend Haridas Bagchi, he went to Japan, and there is no other way for him to get it confirmed whether he had been to Ranchi or not. So he decided to ask Dinesh Mukherjee now. He lived quite near in Beninandan street. Dinesh Mukherjee was living in Beninandan street. What about going right now? For a moment he thought, right now if I go there, how it would be. But then if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for the confirmation? Again, he is hesitating, because suppose if he had really never been to Ranchi and if he asked for the confirmation in front of Dinesh Mukherjee, then what would be the reaction of Dinesh Mukherjee? About that he is worrying. He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. Probably Dinesh Mukherjee would come to conclusion that this man Bipin Babu was going nuts. Going nuts means nothing but going mad, crazy, becoming mad person. No, it would be ridiculous to ask him. So again, Bipin Babu thought it would be ridiculous to ask him. Ridiculous means silly or foolish to ask this matter to this man Dinesh Mukherjee. Okay. And he knew how ruthless Dinesh's sarcasm could be, and he knew very well about Dinesh Mukherjee. Dinesh Mukherjee was ruthless. Ruthless means cruel in his sarcasm. What do you mean by sarcasm? See here, a short form of humor intended to hurt. Okay, talking in a hurting manner. Okay, with the intention of hurting others. Talking. That kind of talking is called what? Sarcasm. So Dinesh Mukherjee is well known for his sarcasm. Sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Yes, he was sipping cold drink in his air-conditioned living room. That time again he thought about that event, his encounter with Parimal Ghosh, and he thought it is a nuisance, senseless behavior. Some people, they don't have any work, that's why they always try to give trouble to others. See that, just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. What do you mean by getting into other people's hair here? Means interfering with and annoying people. Some people are like that only. When they don't have any other work, they try to give trouble to other. They try to give troubles to other. So he is thinking that Parimal Ghosh was also such person. He did not have any work, that's why he annoyed me. He gave trouble to me. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. Yes, after that he had dinner and snuggling. Snuggle means to rest. Okay. Resting in bed with one of new thrillers. He was reading, resting on the bed. Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in New Market. He was involved deeply in reading. That time he forgot about that strange person, Parimal Ghosh. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. And next day he was there in office, and every passing hour, the previous day encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. Though he was trying to forget that his meeting with that strange person, that encounter, that meeting was only coming to his mind again and again. Okay, he was thinking about that matter only. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about Ranchi trip? And again a thought came to his mind. If that man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about Ranchi trip? Whatever the things he told, all those things were correct regarding Bipin Babu. Then how he could make a mistake about Ranchi trip? Probably that was also true. Okay, he did not make mistake. Probably Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi, but he could not recall that. Like that situation is there. Next, what had happened? Let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching it.